Hey everyone, so this mist promises dewy skin like you've got a trust fund, and I fell for it. Now, I spotted Tasha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist online many years ago. Glow for days, they said. So I splurged, and my first spray, pure magic. My skin lit up like I just stepped out of a spa in the Maldives. Oh, it felt incredible. And you know that powder kind of residue that you get from makeup? Yeah, gone. Just this rich, hydrated sheen. Who needs filters when you look this expensive? Now, here's a sarcasm alert, as if you hadn't already got that. My wallet, oh, it wept. Ashamed of me, straight up. I mean, this bottle costs more than my monthly coffee habit, and that's a fact. And get this, it doesn't actually set your makeup. No. In fact, makeup kind of breaks down quicker with it. Kind of like, thanks for the glow up and the touch ups every hour. But you spray it on and suddenly your skin screams, I'm rich. And your bank account, not so much. But still, that dewy vibe, oh, it erases every trace of cheap powder on your face, and it makes you look like you summer on yachts. And if you can afford it, oh, it is wonderful. But listen, it really is good. Your skin does look epic. It feels amazing, and you really do have this beautiful sheen. Envy my glow, peasants. Subscribe, because somewhere a ring light goes out every time someone doesn't.